Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I will show the top 5 best patio heaters on the market that will elevate your outdoor experience. Whether you're hosting a barbecue with friends or simply want to enjoy your patio during colder months, a good patio heater can make all the difference. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's dive in. Starting off our list is the Hampton Bay patio heater. If you're looking for a propane heater, you almost can't beat this fuel-efficient model, which ranked a close second to our best overall. We found it was easy to put together, and it has safety features that keep it from catching fire if it tips over. It's also very easy to use. It ignites immediately and heats quickly and evenly to keep you comfortable wherever you're sitting. Feeling its heat up to 8 feet away made it one of the most powerful heaters. It could warm everyone gathered around a patio dining set. Like some of our other favorites, it has wheels to move it around easily. Best of all, its design keeps wind from affecting its output, so you can enjoy some warmth even on a blustery day. Next up, we have the Westinghouse WES31-15110BLK infrared electric outdoor heater. If you don't want to deal with propane, we have good news. Everything about this electric patio heater is easy. To set it up, we simply snapped the unit into its base. Then, we needed only to plug it in. The controls on the unit are large and readable, but it also comes with a remote for user-friendly control. It has 2 heat settings with an oscillating feature that helps push heat into your space more efficiently. We found its heating abilities average compared. Some reached higher temperatures, while others remained lower. But we didn't see this as a reason to not recommend it, given how well it performed in other areas. Finally, we like this electric heater's compact, balcony-friendly size, and that it's stable enough to stay put even when bumped. Moving on to our third pick, the Amazon Basics outdoor patio heater, we felt this propane patio heater's warmth up to 9 feet away, which makes it an excellent choice for large outdoor spaces and a great value overall. It comes with safety features that include an auto shut-off valve as well as certification from Edel Electrical Testing Laboratories. Yet, the instructions are printed on the heater, so first-time users or guests can easily figure out how to operate it. Wheels make moving it easy. Choose from 6 finishes, including stainless steel, dark bronze, and a cheery blue-green hue. Our fourth pick is the Star Patio Electric Patio Heater. If you're looking for a tabletop model, the Star Electric Heater stood out in our tests. We like that. While it feels toasty, the unit is not so hot it would burn someone if touched. It's stable too and stays in place with wind gusts or even when we bumped the table it was on. We recommend it to those who want direct heat on either side of a small outdoor table. Last but certainly not least, we have the Mr. Heater Buddy Heater, this little lightweight device from Mr. Heater is an excellent option if you're short on space or want an outdoor heating option while you're on the go. It's only 14 inches wide, making it suitable for tabletop use. On mild winter days, I place it under my patio table as a supplemental heating device to my Amazon Basics unit. It heats the surrounding area fairly quickly and runs for up to 3 hours. The single control knob allows you to choose between low and high heat. You'll benefit most if you're sitting in front of the heater. I recommend this space-saving heater to anyone wanting to spend more time outside, as it will help keep you warm without gobbling up valuable real estate. Like with all patio heaters, we've seen the stock of this product fluctuate. We don't recommend buying from third-party sellers. If it's out of stock or only available from third-party sellers, we recommend waiting until Amazon receives more stock. And there you have it, our top 5 best patio heaters to keep you cozy outdoors. Whether you prefer propane or electric, traditional or modern designs, there's a heater on this list for everyone. Be sure to check the description box below for links to these products. Stay warm and see you next time.